David Samuth and the marketing team over there that had an idea. You know, the Muppets are irreverent, and I think their tact was to go with the irreverence, and they came up with this idea of doing a parody, and then they did another and another because they were successful, and it sort of spoke to the irreverence of the Muppets, and that we were able to make fun of ourselves, and I think that was a clever launch to the marketing campaign.
Yeah, it's something that, it's probably difficult to be able to do that kind of thing with most movies, but because the Muppets break the fourth wall, and because they're self-referential, because they make fun of themselves, and because they make fun of themselves in the context of making movies, there's all this meta quality to them. So the idea of taking a marketing campaign and being self-referential, making fun of yourselves, making fun of others, it felt natural to the Muppets. It might not be specific to other movies, but for the Muppets it felt like that's the kind of campaign we should do. And it's also worth noting that, doing a parody of trailers like The Hangover 2, or Green Lantern, or The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo is indicative of a multi-layered campaign. Obviously, we have a movie that plays to a general audience and hopefully families, but we didn't make the movie specifically for kids. We made the movie to make ourselves laugh and hopefully make a general audience laugh, and in doing so, like the original intent of the Muppets and like Jim Henson always did, kids will also like it. So the movies like Hangover 2 parodying that, and Girl with Dragon Tattoo might not seem normal for what would essentially be considered a family movie, but we believe this has broader appeal. This is a general audience movie that also families will love.
And by the way, the first parody we did was of ourselves. That was the first one to come out. That was going to be a love story. The one with the love story between Amy and Jason, and then, are there Muppets in this movie? So we parodied ourselves to begin with, and that sort of started the idea of parodying